Hello everyone, so I just got a new model plane here, and I'm going to do an unboxing video right now. By the way, it's a Qantas A380 800 with fuel. And it is Airbus license. Open up here, you have a thin layer of plastic. That can't fall into place, but there's the elevators. 2 elevators there. You have the main body of the aircraft. Let's take it right now. When you take it out, it's actually quite large. It's quite big. It's actually, the model planes here are actually 1/200 scale, so if I put this up to it, it matches exactly the same size. So, there's my 777, that's right there. 737 up there matches with the KLM1. So, there's that there. We're going to take this out. These come in every Skymarks model. Korean Airlines A380 there. Here's the ginormous wings. It's quite big. I find the A380's wings have a certain shape to it. You know, it's got curves, but it's easier to lift. Nice wing looks nice and red. And this is sort of what it looks like from a passenger's view when they're on the A380. It's quite cool. This is one wing. And there's another. Four engines. And then stand. And I don't get why they send these. Those are instructions on how to put a 747 together. But I think that looks like an A380. You know. And there's a BA146-8 MD80 and how to put a stand together. So difficult, man. So I'm going to put this together and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Here it is when it's done, been put together. All the tires are on. Well, actually they already came on. It's massive. Winglets. Rolls-Royce engines. And it says Qantas, Spirit of Australia. I find Skymarks models the best. Like, I don't really like the small die-cast ones because they don't really have glowing gear, and if they do, they're really expensive. But these ones are really nice. So I'm gonna put it on the stand now. And that's what it looks like when it's on the stand. No, there's everything. So I kind of rearranged my planes. I have all the air transat ones down there. I'm gonna put the A380 right there, and I'm actually gonna dedicate this plane to aeroplaneman747. He's been a great supporter of my channel, and he comments on most of my videos. So this plane is dedicated to him. So thanks, aeroplaneman747, and make sure to check out his channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.